Alright, you guys, today I'm going to show you how you can disarm a bomb. So he's going to go ahead and place the bomb on the road over here, and I'm going to show you how we can disarm it. So go ahead and plant the bomb, and you're going to need this repair tool. So usually you use this repair tool to repair like a tank or an airplane or something like that. Here, let me show you an example here. So you pull that tool out, and look, so now you can repair the tool. Okay, yeah, you know that. But if you didn't know, you can actually go to that bomb and you can disarm it. So that's pretty cool. I did not know that. I just figured this out, figured I would show everyone. So if you come across that, and if you know they're not looking, you can quickly disarm those bombs down there. And I believe you can do it with, so let's get our other thing here. And I think you can do it to these two, but let's see. So let's plant it. So you gotta crouch and then left click to plant. Yeah, so you can disarm these two. So if you actually see these in the middle of the road, and before you come across them, you can actually just disarm them with this repair tool, which is pretty cool. Alright, you guys, that's it. I know I just did a quick video, but I just wanted to show you this cool little trick in Crysis on how to disable the bombs and the landmines in game. So I hope this was helpful. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.